chart indicators, and I have that with our B4 wave and our B4 CVD. Now I don't have the filter on. That's why I allow the bullish signal to come through. I don't have it filtering on either side of those. So it'll let me take counter trend trades. So again, looking at volume profile. Again, we're using our B4 footprint here for volume profile, and we put it on the 30-minute chart here. We had a thin profile bullish, meaning there was a lot of interest from the bulls. They sold it off. So in that sell-off, what we're looking for is the high volume nodes and the high volume areas here in this bullish candle for the bulls to come back and to take control again. And so it came down all the way to here and pushed again. Now we're coming back down and we're looking at these high volume nodes and areas of value area high, value area low, the point of control, and these high volume nodes. We're looking at these as support areas for the buyers to come back in and show their hand. And so there's a wedge right there, a squeeze happening right here, meaning a support area, an inflection point, and boom, buyers are pushing again. Looking at Ichimoku, I know I don't have that up on my chart right now, but I always got a supplementary Ichimoku chart up. I'm very big into Ichimoku, and we teach that in our AMP course. We're still bullish. We're favoring the bulls in the Ichimoku. We're above the cloud, and we just now got above the Tinkinson with price. It looks like we could have a hard push here, possibly. So what I would do is I would go in here and put a buy chart.
Order submitted.
And right there. That's using our chart trader interface. So we had a customer ask the other day. He says, "Chuck, does CoPilot Pro auto trade?" And of course, the answer to that is yes. That's the simple answer. And so he asked me that. And then a few days later, he asked me, "Chuck, what's the win rate? Can you show me your win rate on
Order canceled.
CoPilot Pro?" I'm like, well, no, if you're looking for he said an automated win rate is what he said. I said, I can't show you an automated win rate because I don't auto trade. He's like, whoa, what do you mean you don't auto trade? I thought you said CoPilot Pro auto trades, and it does. But I'm always using discretionary, like just now. I use our tools.
Order submitted.
Right now, I'm looking for a potential, I still have buy opportunity here. Looking at our B4 right here, it usually cycles, oscillates to +3. I'm always interested in the 0 line and the -3 here on the 210 bars. So I'm always looking at those opportunities and looking at my Ichimoku. And even whenever I'm entering trades and CoPilot enters trades, I don't let the ATM just walk. I typically move my stop losses. I adjust my risk with my own discretion. On the 3-minute chart, Chical is still below price. It's got to break above that price before we can get a confident breakout here to the upside. And it's fighting it. It's pushing it down right now. From an Ichimoku perspective, overall, it's still below the Tenkan-sen. It's got to close above that Tenkan-sen. A lot of buying interest right here.
Order filled.
Now, again, guys, everything we're doing this morning is for educational purposes only. You'll have to trade at your own risks. This is not trading advice. In fact, I'm just in sim mode right here. And we're on the micros. Still below that CVD line. So I'm using a little caution. I tightened up my stop loss here because this could be a push to the downside. I'm hoping it's a push to the upside because we're above the Tinkinson, and I'm looking at the Cheekout Trail possibilities as a launch to the upside. So what I would do is,
Order submitted.
I want to be a buyer above here if it does push through. Looking at the volume profile, I see that we have a thin profile here. They sold it off. We found a buying pressure here. Sold it back off. And hopefully we found buying pressure here. Now we stopped out here each time. Let's see if this is the fourth time hitting it, fifth time hitting it, if it breaks through, if it pushes back up. Either way, if we do get in a position here, adding to it, we need to be cautious. Probably would have been better to enter here versus this high. Right here at 1.63, it may make it up to about 3. So what typically with the lower B4 indicator right here,
Order filled.
we notice that we'll oscillate typically between 3, 0, and -3. That's your overbought, your zero line, and your oversold. And I am tight on this. It may take me out here.
Stop filled.
I'm thinking we're coming into resistance right there. I want to wait a little bit. If we get back above here,
Order submitted.
I might digest some of those gains a little bit first before that happens. That'll rebalance this. Yeah, there's the digesting of the gains. But we got some potential to the upside. Looking at Ichimoku. So we'll take that, put that above that POC. Got some trap traders right there.
Order filled.
The potential hard move here to the upside.
Order submitted.
I'm looking at a cheek out trail possible launch here. Guys, again, this is not trading advice. Everything this
Order
is for
filled.
educational purposes only. You'll have to trade at your own risks.
Order submitted.
Tight because we're at a resistance area here.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
We need to break over here. That's one of our virgin points of control with our footprint. You get the trend line running right there. Got some buyers interested right here. They're picking up, got a divergence coming in. That's good. The buyers have support here. There's the most volume in the candle. It's pushing. We hit it this time. I think we're going to push through it. Again, everything we're doing, guys, is for educational purposes only. You guys got to trade at your own risks.
Order filled.
There it is. It pushed through it like we thought it would. Unfinished auction coming into effect. Boom, it's really pushing it. Cheek out trail. This is the push for the cheek out trail. We should possibly make it on up to here. We're at 267. That gives us enough room to make it there. To be at about +3, and that's about where we're targeting. You see here, if we had the system initiated, we wouldn't manually trading here. This would have got us in here. Or if we missed that opportunity, it would have got us in here, here, or here. We're walking it out, thinking our target is here. I'm looking at the cheek out trail. It's the cheek out trail worked perfectly here on the 3-minute chart with the Ichimoku. It's a principle we teach. In our AMP class that comes free with our product. It's complete trader education. We teach multiple disciplines and theories so you can find what your fit is. It's a year-long course, mentorship program.
Stop filled.
Getting heavy up here at the top of these
Stop
candles.
filled.
It's time to tighten your stop. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me today. I've got a lot of things I've got to take care of this morning. But guys, don't forget to check out our B4 Cyber Monday sale. It is on today.